Hi everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate the hammerhead etch compensation function. The four corners of rectangle pads are often over-etched during the etching process. This is an etching compensation function for rectangular SMD pads, which requires higher precision. We will demonstrate the etching compensation process for these SMD pads. Select Advanced from the DFM drop-down menu, then select Hammerhead Etch Compensation. Click on the layer to select the target layer from layer lists. If dot work was selected from the drop-down menu, the changes will be applied to the work layer. If dot affected was selected, the changes will be applied to the both affected layer and work layer. Next, we will go through the parameter settings in this interface. Apply to is to choose to apply the changes to all features or just selected features. This function only works with rectangle pads with SMD attribute. Compensate by is to choose etching compensation methods. The corner feature option is to add features at four corners for etching compensation. Corner shape is to choose the feature shape being added to corners for etching compensation. Options are fillet, ball and square. Size determined by is to choose the calculation method for compensation feature size. Options are percentage and value. The percentage option is to determine size by the pad breadth times with entered percentage value. The value option is to use the entered value for the etching compensation feature. In size determined by, regardless of the calculation method, the result value will be used as radius for ball and square corner shapes. For fillet shape, the value will be used as length for orange-colored lines, as shown in the picture. Fillet peak to SMD corner is to set the length for green-colored line as shown in the picture. Copper spacing is to set the minimum distance between features after etching compensation. Maintain copper spacing by is to choose methods to maintain spacing if the minimum spacing cannot be met after the compensation. Removing corner option is to remove added compensation features to maintain spacing. The three buttons in the lower interface is used to determine the function affected area. Click Global to apply the changes to all features in the layers. Click Screen to apply the changes to the current area on screen. Click Profile to apply the changes to the features within the profile. Now let's take a look at parameters in the Advanced interface. Percentage of length of diagonal inset SMD pads. This parameter is to choose a center location for the compensation feature. This parameter only applies to ball and square-shaped compensation features. Default setting is at 50%. Compensation feature center point will be on the SMD pad corner. Next we will demonstrate the three different compensation feature shapes. Using the three rectangle pad on screen to show the three different compensation shape results. First, set Apply to selected. Select a SMD pad. Choose Fillet for corner shape and click Screen to apply. The added fillet is a surface feature with a specific attribute. Select another SMD pad. choose Ball for corner shape and click Screen to apply. The added ball is a pad feature with a specific attribute. Select the last SMD pad, choose Square for corner shape and click Screen to apply. The added square is a square pad feature with a specific attribute. This is the Hammerhead Etch compensation demonstration. Thank you for watching.